Hi, what's up, everybody? Welcome to Rich Side Insider, a place where future millionaires come together to get ideas. Today, I'm going to talk about stock of the day. 308% gainer. It jumped a lot within one day. So, if this is your first time to Rich Side Insider, we talk about business, finance, money, investment, stock investment, real estate, anything that's gonna make you money. So, if you want to succeed, subscribe our channel. So click the bell and click all so that you don't want to miss anything. You're gonna get notifications. So let's get it started. Before we start, this is a disclaimer. I'm not an attorney, CPA, tax or financial advisors. This channel is for sharing my opinions, experience, and knowledge for entertainment purposes only. Any stocks that I mentioned, I may have an ownership interest, so do your own independent research before you make buy or selling decision. All investment have risks, so you may make a lot of money, none, or lose money. Any profits or losses entirely your responsibility. I'm gonna post this disclaimer below. You can read more about it. Okay, let's talk about the stocks today. This is a stock. Creative Realities is open at $1. Then it jumped to up to 436 and it closed at 408. So what happened? 52-week high is 436 and 52 weeks low is 52 cents. This is a small cap stock. So let's look at it. This is headquarters in Kentucky, Louisville. And it was founded in 2003. So Creative Reality is basically a marketing technology company. So it has businesses in marketing, digital marketing, and retail, blah blah blah. So you can read about it if you are interested. Its technology solution include digital merchandising system, and it also have a mobile, social media, point of sale transaction, and web-based media. So basically, it's a digital marketing technology company. So why did it jump? Basically, it jumped because it just came out with a device that's gonna non-contact AI-enabled temperature detection solution to assist businesses in reopening. With this situations, with this disease situation, a lot and also the states open it up, so a lot of the employees gonna go back to their work, their office. So they just announced today that the launch of AI integrated non-contact temperature inspection stations known as the thermometer, which is available for immediate order in North America. The thermometer is a turnkey plug-and-play solution that addresses urgent need for businesses and employers to build consumer and employee confidence. So they came up with a device basically that's gonna know the temperatures without contact at all, without human contact. So basically, this is a good news for the company, and so which is the reason why the stock jumped. And if you look at the stock for the 5 days, it was $76 5 days ago. Now it's $4.08. 1 month, look at the jump. 6 months, it's almost like a 90-degree jump. Year to date, stay a lot. And 1 year, yep. And 5 years, the stock has been going up and down, but with the downtrends. So how do you know this stock is gonna go up more? How long would it last? Would it last for 3 days, 4 days, 5 days? Is it good investment? That's I'm gonna have a breakdown details analysis of financial statements and also technical analysis in my stock course. What I think, my opinions, my knowledge, my experience, I share every day in the stock course. That you can sign up for the course. So the pre-launch special will be $285, and after the launch it will be $355. For a limited time, I give you access for 1 year. Most of the time, you don't do a class, then you forget about it. There's no way for you to refresh. But for 1 year, you can go back to the videos that I make and get a refresher anytime you want, and the videos will be added weekly until further notice. If you sign up before the launch, you're gonna get a bonus of 2 free consultation calls with me, which is worth about $75. And since this is a great cost to start, you will also get access. If you're a student, you will get access to the future weekly stock picks. What I'm going to buy, why I think that is a good buy, my opinions and my analysis on the stocks. You're gonna get access to it, and you will know how to keep all your profits without having to pay tax to the government. If you make 1,000, you don't want to pay $150 and $300 to the government. So I'm gonna teach you how to do that, how to keep all your profits, so that you can maximize your profits and keep everything to yourself. Do you want to work for money? You go to office 9 to 6 p.m. and then you came back and you save money, you put it in the bank. You are losing money 2% every year because of inflation, and the banks only gave you 0.01%. They use your money to make investment. That's how the banks get rich. So do you want to work for money as a slave, or do you want to make money work for you? If you invest in stock, that's gonna pay you dividends. Some stocks pay you every month, some stocks pay you every quarter. So I'm gonna talk about everything in the course. So if you want to make your money work for you and pays you dividends, sign up for the course. So the link is gonna be below or above the video. And do you want to change your career, or do you want to make more money? Do you want to work and live in USA? I have a course to help you get the better jobs, the more big paying jobs. So the link is gonna be below above. Make sure you sign up. And these are the future courses, how to start a business part-time and become a full-time boss later on. If you are interested in it, email me your email address so that you have a special access pre-launch. You're gonna have a special place in the class. Thank you so much for watching the video. So as a reward, I'm gonna give you free audiobooks below. Click the link below. You're gonna get a free audiobooks. CEO reads about 60 books a year, and 5 books a month, and 1 book a week. So that's why they make a lot of money. So you want to pick up the habit of reading books. So I want to make it easy for you to start. So click on the link below. You're gonna get this audiobooks. If you want to get free stocks up to 1,400, you click 2 links below. Sign up for 2 companies. Then you're gonna start. You should get a stock like Facebook, Apple, Snap, Zoom. It can varies the price range. Make sure you click 2 links below and deposit $100. You can withdraw anytime. Then you're gonna get 3 stocks. If you are thinking about becoming a real estate agent, this is a good time for you. When the market is good, there are a lot of buyers. Buyers need real estate agents. When the market is bad, there are a lot of sellers. Sellers need real estate agents. So you make money either good times or bad times. You make money. So the link is gonna be below. Click the link below. If you haven't got the stimulus checks, or if you are tight on cash, I post the best credit cards with interest free for 1 year. So it's gonna help you. The links are below or above the videos. If it's YouTube, it's below. If it's Facebook, it's above. Are you paying more than $15 for your mobile plan? Then you're paying too much. I posted the link. This cell phone, even Hollywood actor Ryan Reynolds use this cell phone. Unlimited talk, unlimited testing, unlimited data. They have different packages: 3 gig, 6 gig, 8 gigs. After you use more than 3 gig, the data slow down, but it stay unlimited. If you want to travel in future, I'm gonna give you free travel credit for the hotel. Click the link below. Everything is down below. And if you have any questions, message me on Facebook and Instagram. Give me your email address. I want to answer everybody's questions. So I have a team call that's gonna come up. So you're gonna be the first one to know. So if you give me your email address, I'm gonna send a link to you. Thank you for watching until the end. If you have any question, comment below. What do you learn from this video? And what do you think about the stock created reality? Do you think it's going to go up or it's going to go down? Comment below. One person who shared the most and also with the most comments going to get a call from me. But if you cannot wait, you want to talk to me, you can make a reservation below as well. Subscribe my YouTube and like and see first my Facebook and follow my Rich Side Insider Instagram. So thank you for watching. I will see you in the next video.